Hello everyone, now in this RadioTRD video, I am going to be unboxing this 𝙎𝙬𝘎𝙎 stylish multimedia wireless set. One receiver for both devices. Hope you enjoy. As I said in the introduction, this is a 𝙎𝙬𝘎𝙎, basically keyboard and mouse wireless set. Today, as I'm filming, is the 28th of December 2020 at 8:11 PM. When you're probably seeing this, it's the 13th of January 2021, so I hope you've had a great new year, and I hope 2021 is doing better for all of us than 2020 started. So let's get right into it, and as it says on the box there, I can't read it, it says one receiver for both devices, batteries included, ultra slim, and 12 multimedia hotkeys. So that, of course, is the talking out the way, and now let's get started to unboxing it. I've already unboxed this before, because of course I received it as a Christmas present, but of course I'm going to have to do it again for your watching enjoyment. Of course, as you can see, that's the keyboard, which you may be seeing with the receiver. That's the receiver there. And of course we have a little manual. Well, as I say, manual, it's a quick guide. If you can't see it, it's basically a little quick guide, and it's one of those cheap things like that. All it says is just your features. That's all it is. So it's pretty useless for the time being. Of course, here's a bit of a test for the keyboard. Had a bit of a problem with the B key, so sometimes I feel like that. Of course, it says the window key and all that, but it does work with Mac. There you go, that's the keyboard. And then there you go. And of course, I'm going to be setting it up in a minute. So I'm going to be transporting you all over. As you can see, I am now on my PC, or technically my MacBook. Just move that out of the way for you. And you can see we've got our little USB receiver there. We've got our mouse with the batteries in, right here. Goes on the mouse pad. You can't really see it. And of course we've got the keyboard right here. You probably can't see it, but there you go. That's the setup there. There you go. Sorry about that. I need to clean the camera soon. Of course, now we've just got to put this receiver in. Click a while for the keyboard, and then of course, you can now start switching here. So of course, as you can see, it works fine. Window key does nothing. Let's say if we just want to go to, let's say, just search weather in London. Just search that on Google, and then for instance, once it loads, I have to do it very quickly because my camera's about to run out of battery. Sorry about that. Oh look, my Wi-Fi has been an annoying thing. Please say if your Wi-Fi does this if you're on Sky and in the UK. Just have to turn the Wi-Fi off and on again. That's how rubbish the combination of a 2009 MacBook Pro and Sky Internet. There you go. It's just come through there. And there you go. So there you go. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you do comment, like, and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video now. Bye bye.